Embracing the cloud. A new era of software development. The way we build and run software is changing. We're moving away from big, clunky programs that live on a single computer. Today, the cloud is king. Imagine a world where your software is made up of small, independent pieces, all working together seamlessly. This is the promise of the cloud-native approach. A cloud-native stack is like a well-oiled machine, designed specifically for the cloud environment. It's about building applications that are flexible, scalable, and resilient. No more worrying about your software crashing under pressure. With a cloud-native approach, your applications can handle anything. This new era of software development is all about agility. The cloud empowers you to respond to changing demands with lightning speed. Need to scale up your application to handle a surge in traffic? No problem. A cloud-native stack can adapt on the fly. But it's not just about speed. Cloud-native is also about efficiency. By leveraging the power of the cloud, you can optimize your resources and only pay for what you use. It's a win-win situation for businesses of all sizes. Building blocks of the cloud, understanding the basics. So how does this cloud magic actually work? It all starts with understanding a few key concepts. First up, we have containers. Think of containers like little packages that contain everything your application needs to run. They're like self-contained units of software, making it easy to move your applications around. Next, we have orchestrators, the conductors of our cloud orchestra. Orchestrators like Kubernetes are responsible for managing and automating all those containers. They make sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. And finally, we have serverless computing, the ultimate in flexibility. With serverless, you don't even have to worry about managing servers. You simply write your code, and the cloud provider takes care of the rest. It's like magic, but for software. These building blocks form the foundation of the cloud-native approach. Together, they provide the agility, scalability, and resilience that modern applications demand. Microservices breaking down barriers in software design. Now, let's talk about microservices. In the past, software was often built as one giant monolith. But with microservices, we break down our applications into smaller, independent services. Think of it like building with Lego bricks. Each brick is a separate service and you can combine them in countless ways. This modular approach has several advantages. First, it makes our applications more resilient. If one service fails, the others can keep running. Second, it allows for faster development cycles. Different teams can work on different services simultaneously, speeding up the development process. Microservices also make it easier to scale our applications. If one service becomes a bottleneck, we can simply scale that service independently, without affecting the rest of the application. This flexibility is crucial in today's dynamic environment. Section 4: Spring Boot, your secret weapon for streamlined development. Building microservices can seem daunting, but fear not. Spring Boot is here to make your life easier. Spring Boot is a framework that simplifies the development of Spring applications, including microservices. It's like having a team of expert developers at your fingertips. With Spring Boot, you can get your microservices up and running in no time. It takes care of all the boilerplate configuration and provides sensible defaults, so you can focus on writing the business logic of your application. Spring Boot also integrates seamlessly with other Spring projects, such as Spring Cloud, which provides tools for building cloud-native applications. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for cloud development. Whether you're building a simple REST API or a complex event-driven system, Spring Boot has got you covered. It's the go-to framework for building robust and scalable microservices. Section 5: Navigating the cloud with Spring Cloud. Once you've built your microservices with Spring Boot, you need a way to connect them and manage them in the cloud. That's where Spring Cloud comes in. Spring Cloud is a collection of tools that simplifies the development of cloud-native applications. Spring Cloud provides tools for service discovery, configuration management, circuit breaking, and load balancing. These tools are essential for building resilient and scalable microservices. Think of Spring Cloud as your guide to navigating the complex world of cloud-native development. With Spring Cloud, you can easily register your microservices with a service registry, making it easy for other services to find and communicate with them. You can also centralize your configuration and distribute it to all your microservices. Spring Cloud also helps you build fault-tolerant microservices with circuit breakers, which prevent cascading failures. And with load balancing, you can distribute traffic evenly across your microservices, ensuring optimal performance. Section 6, containerization and orchestration powering your cloud applications. We've talked about microservices and the tools for building them. Now let's talk about how we deploy and manage them in the cloud. This is where containerization and orchestration come in. Remember those little packages we talked about earlier called containers? They play a crucial role here. Docker is a popular tool for creating and running containers. It's like a virtual machine, but much lighter and faster. With Docker, you can package your microservices and all their dependencies into a container image, making it easy to deploy them to any environment that supports Docker. Once you have your containers, you need a way to manage them. That's where Kubernetes comes in. Kubernetes is an open-source container orchestration platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It's like the conductor of your cloud orchestra, ensuring that all your containers are playing in harmony. Section 7, the cloud-native advantage, agility, scalability, and resilience for the modern enterprise. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of cloud-native development with Spring Boot and Microservices. By embracing this approach, businesses can unlock a world of benefits, including increased agility, scalability, and resilience. The cloud-native approach is all about building software that can adapt to the ever-changing demands of today's digital landscape. It's about creating systems that are flexible, scalable, and resilient, capable of handling whatever challenges come their way. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, adopting cloud-native practices can help you stay ahead of the curve and deliver exceptional customer experiences. The future of software development is in the cloud, and now is the time to embrace it. So take the leap and explore the power of Spring Boot, microservices, and the cloud. Your future self will thank you for it.